Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dry Down, the lifestyle channel where we as enthusiasts aspire to enhance. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Jacques Marie Mage brand, a brand that is celebrated for its meticulous craftsmanship, bold aesthetic, and artistic designs. The piece we're actually spotlighting today is none other than the Walker, a frame inspired by the legendary experimental singer Scott Walker. Known for his enigmatic presence and genre-defying music, Walker's influence sets the tone for a pair of sunglasses that are anything but ordinary. This isn't just eyewear, they're statements. They're a blend of retro nostalgia and modern innovation. So stick around as we dive into the design, the functionality, and why Walker perfectly embodies its avant-garde namesake. Walker is a bold, unapologetic, and loaded frame that has lots of character. Just like Scott Walker, these sunglasses, they draw from a 1960s aesthetic with a square-off kind of silhouette that's commanding yet elegant. Jacques Marie Mage has an uncanny ability to kind of channel vintage inspiration into frames that feel fresh, contemporary, and the Walker is no exception to that they've made as a rule over there at Jacques Marie Mage. The high-grade acetate that comes in show-stopping finishes like noir, Havana, agar, whiskey, stardust, all are polished to a deep glossy shine. Beautiful, beautiful aesthetic that the brand has come to be known for with this 10mm acetate. The thickness of the acetate is substantial, giving it this frame that is a sculpture-like quality, what makes Jacques Marie Mage so special through, it's in the details. The custom 18-karat gold-plated arrowhead pins, the guilloche engraving on the temples, the subtle beveling around the edges, the facets of the frame that just come off with sparkle. Every aspect is deliberate, and it shows in the craftsmanship from Japan. In Jacques Marie Mage are impressive. They use two types. They use a diamond dust glass or a CR39. In these particular frames, which are the Walkers, they do have the CR39. It's a blue marine color in this particular whiskey color. The mineral glass that offers impeccable clarity comes in most of their Last Frontier line, but in the nominal line, they use the CR39 for the advantage of the ability to just produce mass for sure, but CR39 is a class-leading lens type throughout the industry. So with these, they have great UV protection and a subtle tint that is reminiscent of retro styling without going overboard. They have a great contrast, and this whiskey and marine is a beautiful, it's almost like wearing brown and denim. You can't go wrong with it. And so whether you're strolling through the city or relaxing in an outdoor cafe, going shopping, these are lenses that strike a perfect balance between function and fashion. They are spectacular color, and they just hit well off of this whiskey brown. When it comes to the Walker, it is definitely a statement piece. It's a bold and oversized frame, but it's designed with a level of precision that ensures comfort. And that's what I like about Jacques Marie Mage. The acetate, you can bend and kind of contour the frames to your liking. Once you go, I would suggest that you use an optometrist to do so, but you can do it yourself at home with a little lukewarm water or a heat press and some warm towels, and you can do fine with it. But it's best suited for this particular frame. It's best suited for medium to large face shapes. The frames, they have a weight that feels reassuringly premium without being cumbersome, and they come off very sexy on the face. One standout feature is the adjustable nose pads on their wire frames, but on these are a standard thick acetate nose pad that does not contour to the face. So I suggest when you pick a frame from Jacques Marie Mage, you are comfortable with the actual nose pads on the acetate frames. This rare edition of whiskey and blue lens is very, very beautiful. But the fit of each one, like I stated, can be changed with a little bit of help from an optometrist. These are great temple lengths on these particular frames. They fit, they can be curled under or wrapped around the back of the rear of the head. So these are great frames to just try in store first, as I speak of. They're engineered with just the right amount of tension, so the glasses, they stay in place. Ultimately, they never come off the face and they don't pinch, which I do like about the medium. And so when you do go on a website, refer to the fit that they do have as a medium, wide, or narrow face fit, because they are true to form when they speak of that. Creativity, it embodies it. These sunglasses have a certain mystique about them that, just like the namesake, they're just underrated but substantially beautiful and dynamic. Whether you're kind of like pairing them with a tailored blazer or something more casual like a leather jacket and some dark jeans, they project an air of quiet confidence, which is ultimately what we all seek when we go to our most versatile accessories to go through life with. And so the versatility lies in its balance. While bold, the design isn't found to be loud or flashy. It's refined and understated, making it a frame that is appropriate for a variety of settings. Like I stated, you can wear these with a lot of casual looks. And I would say that Jacques Marie Mage, as I stated before in the video, is one of the only acetate frames that I do enjoy wearing with suiting. Usually I'll do a wire frame with my suiting, but these Jacques Marie Mage are so bold yet sophisticated. They fit right in with any type of leisure wear or suiting. So if you're going to rooftop brunches, late night gigs, these fit perfectly well in because the lens is not too dark. This, to me, is as much of a tool as it is a form of sex expression. They are practical and they are great accessories to have. So when it comes to the cultural relevance and versatility, these Walkers go off phenomenal, especially the two colorways that I have. One is the whiskey, as you see here, and one is the actual Agar 1 with the green lens that is phenomenal as well. When it comes to packaging and presentation, luxury is not just about the product, it's about the experience. And so Jacques Marie delivers on this promise time after time after time. For that, the moment you open the box, the Walker comes with a package that is beautifully designed. It has a beautiful leather case. The first edition Agar I got came in a hard shell shaped like the horn. These came in the leather folio style. Both are extremely well done, well crafted, and actually the leather pouchette is much more useful to me than is the hard shell. They do mix frame sizes, so you can, if you have another pair, I would suggest getting one and or the other, and then compliment yourself how you wear your day, go out your day. If you're going to do something playful, rugged, I say take the hard shell. If you're going up about a leisure day, just take the leather pouchette. It just feels premium, just like the frame does. So that's one thing about the luxury aspect of the packaging. What really adds to the exclusivity is the limited edition nature of Jacques Marie Mage products. I have number 331 out of 350. Each pair, as you know, they do come with a card detailing its production run, emphasizing the collectibility of each glass. This is what makes owning a Jacques Marie Mage frame just one of the things that makes it feel like a piece of wearable art, because it's not just an accessory at that point, it's a collectible artifact to me, because I do believe that these will gain some type of relevant investment value going forward, because it's a huge collectible for people right now. So just imagine what it will be like in 10 years when these editions are no longer available. The value proposition is one thing that you have to think about. At a price range between $700 to $2,000, the Jacques Marie Mage isn't your average pair of sunglasses. The Walker averaged between $775 and $900, depending on what you get. I remember, that price range is the first one. The second pair is about $870, so it's on that range of $800 to $900, maybe $1,000. But let's be honest, they're not trying to be something that's average. They're not trying to sell you anything that's not a luxury product. So that's what you come to pay with that premium. These frames are for those who value artistry, exclusivity, and impeccable craftsmanship. And so when you pay for that, you seek that. This is what you get from these pair of sunglasses. The Walker is more than an eyewear. It's a tribute to an icon, a bold style statement, and a testament to Jacques Marie Mage's mastery of design and cultural relevance when it takes its cues to make a frame that came with an icon behind it. So if you're someone who appreciates the intersection of luxury and individuality, these are worth every penny to you. So the proposition is there for you there. That's it for today, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Are you a Walker sunglass aficionado? Do you love what Jacques Marie Mage does? Or do you prefer something more subdued? Do you, at the end of the day, let's talk about these accessories. Are you a sunglass person? That's what I want to know. Many of you guys on my channel have come to like when I do my sunglass reviews, so I'd love to know what kind of sunglasses you're putting on your face. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on luxury fashion products, fragrances, cigars, and of course, wine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.